recently the President himself ordered a probe into prime water, which is Lenarco. You think tama na po bang imbestigahan yung prime water because of complaints left and right, and because water is a basic need? Tama lang po bang paimbestigahan ang prime water?
Tama lang. Kasi, alam mo, water, maski public utility man yan o kaya private concessionaire, I think responsibility pa rin ng gobyerno na maging transparent sa kanilang gagawin kapag resolve ng issue. Dito mismo sa Lucena, usap namin yung mga mayors, kaya mismo yung congressman dito. Problema rin nila yung tubig na ang concessionaire nga, yung prime water. We were in Bohol, ganun din ang problema. Na sa Bacolod, kulay tsokolate yung tubig. Mga ganun. So, I think the government or the national government through the administration of President Bongo has reacted sufficiently. Whether ma-resolve immediately or will take time. But at least, yung national government has done something or is doing something para ma-address yung problema ng mga consumers. That is the bottom line. Walang politics involved pagka yung basic necessity na ng ating mga kababayan ang involved. Kaya nga nung tinanong niyo, bakit yung timing ng pagbibenta ng bigas sa 20 pesos? Well, two-pronged din. In-address ko yung concern ng farmer dahil farm gate price, binila ng 33, binenta ng 20, natulungan yung consumers, lalo yung mga medyo mababa at sa lipunan. What's wrong with that? Bakit pulayan ng politika, isang ginawang aksyon ng gobyerno na dapat tamang gawin dahil nararapat talagang gawin?
Yes, any issue or controversy that concerns the basic need of the people should be addressed right away. Whether it involves a politician or not, or whatever, whoever is involved, as long as it's the basic need of the people, therefore, the government should address it right away.
Yes, Congressman.
May nagre-react po, may mga nagre-react na politically motivated na investigation. Ang tanong ko lamang po doon, paano na lang po yung reklamo ng taga-Albay? Albay is prime water. Pampanga is prime water. Lucena, Tayabas, prime water. Bulacan, prime water. Hindi po natin mapakinggan yun because kasama. Tama naman po yung Pangulo. He has to listen to the complaints of his people. Mas masama kung tignan, hindi mo ka-actionan kasi ka-alyansa. Mas masama naman kung hindi mo kikilos dahil kasama. Di po ba? Ang ginawa po ng Pangulo, it is not politically motivated because kaliwat kanan na po yung sumbong mismo mga LGU na. Kausap po namin dito, kausap po namin sa Pampanga, Albay, LGU na po ay nagsasabi. Posible naman hindi nakakarating si Malacanang. Kaya ba, nagbibigay-bingihan pa tapos member ng grupo ng alliance. I think that the decision was right. Is right ng investigation. Tama yung mga kasama ko. Water is life. Kung kalawang yung lumalabasan, putik na lumalabasan, hahayaan mo lang ba? That's all I can say.
Yes, Attorney Abalos. Ganito na lang. Balik pa rin na lang natin. Paano kung bawat isa na nasa kwarto ngayon, wala kayong tubig? Bayad din ng bayad ang sama ng servisyo. Lahat ang nireklamo. How will each one react? At ito'y napakalaking problema. Kung ano sinabi ng aking mga colleagues dito, nakikiisa ako sa kanila. Tama ang ginawa ng ating Pangulo because this is really a huge problem na dapat sagutin natin.